8.13, 292 page. Identify the reagent shown in bold in the following equations as nucleophiles or electrophiles. A. CH3COOH plus OH minus gives rise to CH3COO minus plus H2O. So here in this equation, OH minus is nucleophile. So it is the negative species. Negative species means it is the nucleophile. So first one is nucleophile. Second one is also Cn minus. Cn minus means it is also nucleophile. So it is also nucleophile. Third one, it is the positive. Positive means it is the electrophile. So nucleophile or electrophile. So A is the nucleophile, B is the nucleophile, C is the electrophile. So it is the 8.13 answer, simple. Thank you.